Chris found some orange water.
It's okay.
It's okay. I want to try it.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Oh, Chris.
Can you see it in the picture?
Yeah. No, I can't see him now. We're looking at spa things. Which one were you thinking of?
The couples treatment room.
It's that a romantic retreat in our couples treatment room. Lounge area, shower, semi-private outdoor hot tub, massage package for 60 minutes.
It sounds good. But then again, there's also just the massage and body treatments.
Yeah.
But that's not like a couple. Like, I want to do it and you want to do it. So.
Right. For the younger crowd. For kids, you can get your nails. More nails. A massage.
Age 15 and under, fully clothed.
A facial. And please note, you have to be accompanied by a parent. Can get our hair done. Heel to toe foot repair. That'd be neat. But we're gonna see how much it costs.
Yep.
One thing, see there it's reconnecting again? The Wi-Fi is not great. So you have to keep reconnecting it. And there's also no signal. Hardly. It says there's signal, but it won't send messages. You know, my broken phone screen. But yeah, so you have to keep reconnecting to the Wi-Fi, and you can't make calls or really do anything unless you're outside. And also the bathroom has signal. So that's good, I guess. Call people from the bathroom. But I've been having to use Facebook for texting. See, it just disconnected. Have to keep using Facebook Messenger to text people. But that's also not great because the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Work. This view is amazing. It's a nice spacious patio. I love it, but I would definitely prefer a ceiling fan because it's like 87 degrees outside and it's hot and there's no airflow at all.
Not a good view for me with these on there.
There's no good view for him with the towels in the way. That's what he said. And we're still trying to get a hold of the desk to get prices.
Hi, Katie. I'm trying to figure out more information on the spa.
You can see the wind on the cabana, and like there's definitely wind blowing, but it just doesn't get up into the private balcony, which I appreciate it being private, but it's also really hot outside, so get some fans or do something, but it's hot. But this is just too good to pass up, so I'm gonna sit out here anyway, just go get some water or something. Okay, so over here is another infinity pool.
Talk this over with my wife.
Can't really see it, but it's over there. We were in there last night. And then there's a hot tub on the other side of it. And then there's a hot tub over here too, also hidden amongst the trees. And you've got, I don't know what kind of court that is. Don't want to say tennis, but I feel like it might be. And then you have checkers and chess, and then Yahtzee with like giant dice. And there's a fire pit here, a fire pit back up there, the main infinity pool. And then there's some cabanas, and then lots of seating. Over there is a barbecue grill, and more seating. And the whole thing, you're looking at Table Rock Lake, which is beautiful. So it turns out that the couple's massage was like $250, and the regular one is like $145 per person. Both of those are per person. So that's gonna be a after I win the lottery thing, or unless somebody wants to pay for that for us. Let me know. But it's not happening today. Here's the lobby. I guess I'll walk around up here by myself, Chris. So right here, I have like fruit water. The other day it was oranges. Today, I think it's still oranges. Or lemons, maybe? No, they're oranges. Some oranges. Popcorn from 2 p.m. till 10 p.m. This is a view that greets you as you come in. It's so pretty. No clue where Chris went. You go past the desk, you can go to the little marketplace. There's like chips and candy bars, ice cream, sandwiches, drinks, soda. Then this stuff is free. You can get tea, cappuccinos, and coffee. All that stuff's free. That's pretty cool. This is where I've been getting coffee every morning, because nobody we were traveling with drinks coffee. So I wasn't making a whole pot just for myself. And here's the bathrooms, the lobby. Let's go find, there's Chris. So this is what the bathrooms in the lobby look like. They're really nice. I know, it's the little things. But look at this. It's really cool. Some salt scrub. Sorry, I'm kind of whispering because there's people outside and I don't want them to think I'm wasting their time, even though I am. Yeah, pretty great. Which is really dumb, but I love this trash can. Yeah, I think someone's trying to get in. We were gonna do the scavenger hunt, but we kind of ran out of time and did other things instead.
Yep.
So, I like these benches. Isn't these cool? Alright, let's go downstairs now.
What?
Now that Chris has already looked downstairs, I want to look downstairs. There's a little seating area right at the bottom of the stairs. Let's see. An amazing view. That's how you get out to the pool. What's this? Just a little Same? Okay. You got a seating area next to the fireplace. Very nice. I love the details on the stairs. How cool. I don't know. I'm entertained easily, so if you don't think that's cool, I'm sorry you had to look at that. It's a little office space. We'll leave her alone. And this is the hallway. It's the fitness center. Can't go in there. We already turned in our key. But this kind of stuff that's in there. So I'm back in front of the stairs. We had gone to that side. We should go this way. They weren't really fancy with floor signs. There's another door outside. I think it's just the other side of this little alcove thing.
How long you be there?
And then focus, thank you. And then fitness center, just the other side of it. Alright. And elevators. So let's go find Chris and see what he's looking at now without me again. Ready to go?
Yep, I'm ready to eat.
I'm hungry too.